Hey everybody, today we are going to get more storage out of our RV by making popcorn. Stay tuned to see how. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert, aka The Tall Man, and we love popcorn. We really do. And we've been making popcorn a certain way for a very, very long time, but the apparatus we use is huge, and we have very little storage in our RV. And so we are about to try something new. Now, as you can see, our kitchen is very, very tiny. We've talked about this in a lot of our reviews. This is sort of a standard size kitchen now. Of course, we've done a lot of reviews with front kitchens that are huge, but we have a standard size kitchen. And I mean, this is it for our storage. Underneath, we have our pots and pans. We have a couple drawers for all of our utensils and spices. All of our plates and a lot of food is up here, which leaves us to this little section right here. Up there is what we use to make our popcorn. So I'm gonna let Lisa explain that to you.
We have this Orville Popcorn Popper Power Pop. We've used this thing for many, many years. As you can tell, it's pretty beat up. The problem with this is in our space, this just consumes a lot more space than we would like it to. And also, it requires these little popping pads. These things, I think they're about 10 bucks for a package of 6, and we get, I don't know, 5 or 6 pops maybe out of one of these before we have to replace it. So it's not as cost effective as some of the other options that are out there, so we're gonna try some of those out.
All right, so this came from Amazon, so let's open it up and show you what we're gonna try. Now, one of the main reasons why we're doing this is we want to get our Vitamix out of storage and bring our Vitamix. And if we do, we need a place to store it. And since this is so big, we want to store it up here. So we ordered this from Amazon. This is called the Salbree. As you can see, it is very, very tiny and collapsible. Plus, it doesn't need these popper thingies, these little pads, right? So we're gonna see which one works the best. So let's see what's in here. Obviously, we take the plastic off. You've got a set of instructions, which I'll read here in a second. We've got our, we got a nice little lid, and we got the Salbree. This is it, right? Nice little thing. So it collapses down really nice when you're done using it. You just like that, and stores it's kind of nothing. So let's read the instructions. Wash your Salbree popcorn popper and expand your bowl to full height. So we're gonna wash it in just a second. Add a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels or fill to the bottom line of your popcorn popper. Oh, so there's like sort of a measuring cup built in. We do not recommend adding oil or seasoning prior to cooking. So do not put any oil, any seasoning, any butter, none of that. We're gonna cook it, well, dry. Doing so, again, may damage your popper. Gently place your lid onto the bowl so that it fits loosely. Do not press down on the lid, or it will rise as the kernels pop. If you have popcorn popper preset button on your microwave, we suggest try using it first, but we do not recommend your power at level 7. Look, everybody's microwaves cook at something different, and so we're gonna try this out.
So first we're gonna make our popcorn the way we've done in the past. We're gonna take one of these little popping pads out of here, and this goes to the bottom of the popcorn popper.
Just press it down.
Just press it down.
Or it'll pop itself everywhere, right?
It does.
Sometimes we'll find it at the top.
That is true. And let me tell you, if it's not in the bottom of the popper, the popcorn does burn. So it's very important that we do that. And we wait. There we go.
All right. Why don't you bring it close to show everybody how much is in there? We'll get a good close-up for you guys. So it's pretty full, right? Now let's go ahead and put it in the basket and see how many unpopped kernels we've got. And then the best part, the eating. So as you can see, there's only just a couple little kernels left. It's one of the things that we liked about this particular popper is we get fresh popcorn, right? It's not processed, and it pops most everything. But again, these things being 10 bucks a package, and we're going through about $10 a month worth of these things, all right?
We like our popcorn.
You like our popcorn. All right, so that was pretty good. Let's go ahead and try the Salbree. All right. Woo. God, that smells good. All right, let's check that out. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty good. All right, let's see how many kernels are left. All right, so yeah, there's a few kernels left. There's a few more left in here than in the Orville Redenbacher, but I feel this is acceptable because I'll be honest, even with the Orville Redenbacher, when that pad starts to get old, not all the kernels pop. This is about what it looks like in the Orville Redenbacher after we've used that little popping pad a couple times. So that's awesome. So let's do a taste test. All right, so first let's try the Orville Redenbacher. Oh no, we lost it.
You knocked it right out of my hand.
Light, fluffy, needs a little salt and butter.
Yeah.
Other than that, pretty good. All right, let's taste this one. Light, fluffy, needs a little salt and butter. Other than that. All right, so remember everybody, the biggest reason we wanted to switch up was our Orville Redenbacher takes up so much space and we are very, very space limited in our kitchen. And so we wanted to try to create some more space, so we looked at how we could do that. And when we were looking on Amazon, we found the Salbree. And so we decided to try it out and show you guys how it works. And it works amazing. It works just as good as the Orville Redenbacher, but takes up a fraction of the space because, remember, this collapses, okay? It has a 4.7 star rating out of 21,000 plus reviews. All right, so absolutely amazing. We left a link down in the description, so just scroll down there and click the link and you go there and get it. They do have different colors, and so you can choose whichever color you want. Now, I will tell you, we did pop popcorn in here a couple of times to get it right for you guys. We found for our microwave, we used Power 7 at 3.5 minutes. And that gave us the same exact results as we get with our Orville Redenbacher. You're gonna have to test it for your microwave, all right? So we hope you like this. We love it. We're gonna retire the old Orville Redenbacher now and get that Vitamix out of storage, all right? So for those who have joined us for the first time, you know what to do, all right? For all those who are watching our video again, thank you so much for coming back. We appreciate all you guys. And until the next time, be safe.